Hello. Welcome to today's video. Today we are looking for some gaming accessories. Before going to start the video, please subscribe to our channel. Let's start our video. First one. This is gaming keypad. You can buy it online within $80. Second one. This is finger sleeves for mobile gaming. You can buy it online within $10. Third one. This is gaming grip with portable charger cooling fan. You can buy it online within $20. Fourth one. This is RGB gaming wireless charging mousepad. You can buy it online within $30. Sixth one. This is stereo gaming headset. You can buy it online within $20. Seventh one. This is PC gaming steering wheel. You can buy it online within $170. Eighth one. This is gaming mouse. You can buy it online within $20. Last one. This is Mousepad with REST support. You can buy it online within $15. So, today we are looking for some gaming accessories. If you want those products, you can get them through the links below the description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video.